Hello friends, this video on arithmetic progressions part 1 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. What we will study? We will study introduction, arithmetic progressions, nth term of AP, sum of first term of AP and summary. Let me introduce you to arithmetic progression. Let's take the scenario. This is Sita and Sita puts in money in her piggy bank. Every day she puts, let's suppose, 10 rupees. So let's suppose on 1st Jan, the money is 10 rupees because 10 rupees was the money she has put. On 2nd Jan, again she has put 10 rupees. The total money is now 10 plus 10, that is 20. On 3rd Jan, again she has put 10 rupees. The total money is 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. See, in this bucket, in this piggy bank, she has put 10 rupees first. On 2nd Jan again 10 rupees and 3rd Jan again 10 rupees. Right? So if you see now, if you add these on 3rd Jan, the total amount is 30 rupees. On 4th Jan also, she has put 10 rupees. Every day she is putting 10 rupees in the piggy bank. Total amount is 40 rupees. You can see in this, if you put 10 rupee coin, this will become 4 coins. Total is 40 rupees. 5th Jan also, she has put 10 rupees. So again on 5th Jan, the total amount is 10 coins, that is 50 rupees. One more 10 rupees coin. So if you see here, there is a pattern. If I am talking about total money in piggy bank on 1st, 2nd, 3rd, etc., that will be 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 40 rupees, 50 rupees, 60 rupees, and so on. If you see here, there is a pattern. The pattern is the difference between any two consecutive number is 10. 20 minus 10, 10. 30 minus 20, 10. 40 minus 30, 10. 50 minus 40, 10. 60 minus 50, 10. Correct? Such kind of pattern where the difference between two consecutive numbers is constant is called arithmetic progression. Let me repeat. Such kind of pattern where the difference between two consecutive numbers is constant is called arithmetic progression. And this number is called common difference. We'll learn all this thing. But this is one common example of arithmetic progression in real life where someone puts money in the bank or in the piggy bank, constant money, and then you see a pattern. We'll take one more example for the arithmetic progression. This is Aditi. And Aditi has got a job. Initial salary was 10,000 rupees per month. This is her initial salary, 10,000 rupees per month. And now she was told that she will get increment of 1,000 rupees every year. Okay. So let's suppose in year 2011 her salary is 10,000 per month. In year 2012 her salary will be how much? 10,000 plus 1,000, because 1,000 increments she'll get. That is what the deal was. The deal is the initial salary is 10,000 per month and she'll get annual increment of 1,000 per month every year. So after 1 year, her salary will be 11,000 rupees per month. Correct? Rupees per month. In year 2013, her salary will be on previous salary, that is 11,000. You add 1,000. That becomes 12,000 rupees per month. In year 2014, similarly in year 2014, her salary will be previous salary plus 1000, that will become 13,000 rupees per month. So if you see her salary, over years, that is 2001 to 2014, if you see her salary is 10,000, then 11,000, then 12,000, then 13,000. It grows, right? Here also, if you see the difference between the salary, 10,000 and 11,000, the difference is 1,000. 12,000, 11,000, difference is 1,000. 13,000, 12,000, difference is 1,000. Here also, if you see this pattern where the difference is constant, the difference is 1,000. Correct? So this is also example of AP. Why? Because the difference is constant. Correct? In both examples, we have seen where Sita putting money in the piggy bank or Aditi drawing salary. We see the difference between the consecutive number is constant. It is 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. In the early example, it was 10 rupees. Now let's take some formal definition. Each of the number in the list is called term. For example, when I'm talking about a series where you have numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? The money in the piggy bank. Each of these number is called term. This is term, this is term, this is term, this is term, this is term. Each of this number is called term. Each of this number is called term. Also the common difference which I told, right? Here if you see the common difference is 10, 10, 10. So the common difference is constant and that is called common difference. Common difference and is denoted by D, and that is some constant value. So if a series has constant common difference, that is called arithmetic progression. Correct? Let me define arithmetic progression now. Arithmetic progression is the list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding number. Let me repeat. Arithmetic progression is the list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. And the fixed number is called common difference. It can be positive, negative or zero. For example, let's take the number be initial number be 5 and the common difference be 2. The next number will be 5 plus 2, that is 7. The next number will be 7 plus 2, that is 9. The next number will be 9 plus 2, that is 11. Next will be 11 plus 2, 13. So here if you see D is, let's take a number where D is negative. Let's take starting number to be 10 and D to be minus 1. D is equal to minus 1. The next number will be 10 plus minus 1, that is 10 plus minus 1. You are adding a minus 1, right? That becomes 9. The next number will be 9 plus minus 1. Because this number is 9, here you are adding minus 1, this becomes 8. The next number will be 8 plus minus 1, that is 7. And the next number will be 7 plus minus 1, that is 6. So if you see the series is like this, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, dot, dot, dot. So here the first term is 10 and the difference is negative. The difference can also be 0. For example, let's take a series 3 and the difference is 0. The next number will be 3 plus 0, that is 0. 3, sorry, this 3. The next number will again be 3 plus 0. Why? Because this number is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. This will also be 3 plus 0, that is 3. So if you see, this is a constant series where all the numbers are 3. So here we will say difference is 0. Thus we have seen 3 examples of AP. One here where the common difference is 2. First term is 5. Second we took this where common difference is minus 1 and the first term is 10. And third we took this where the common difference is 0 and the first term is 3. Correct? Now let's take. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.